2 days before the launch of reality show Bigg Boss 15, hosted by superstar Salman Khan, it unveiled a promo featuring its contestants on Voot Select. The identities of the contestants, according to Colors, the channel airing the show, will be revealed only on Saturday, October 2nd. Seen dancing in the promo and thereafter appearing to be confirmed contestants are TV actresses Tejasvi Prakash and singer Akasa. In the video, Akasa is seen performing on Nagin even as Tejasvi dances to Pani Pani Ho Gayi. Tejasvi Prakash is known for playing Ragini Maheshwari in the show Swaragini Jode Rishton Ke Sur. She has appeared in a number of shows such as Sanskar Dharohar Apno Ki, Pehredar Piya Ki, Rishta Likhenge Hum Naya, Karn Sangini and Fear Factor Khatron Ke Khiladi 10. She has also appeared in Comedy Nights with Kapil as well as Comedy Nights Bachao. Akasa caught the attention of audiences after her song Nagin with Astha Gill. She debuted from Kheech Meri Photo from the 2016 movie Sanam Teri Kasam, and her debut pop single Thagranja also became very popular. Well, another big news which is coming from Bigg Boss house is that singer Afsana Khan, who was seen in the promo of Bigg Boss 15 as confirmed contestant, had recently announced on social media that she won't be part of the show due to health concerns. But now a source has confirmed that she is coming back. Khan is known for her songs Titliya Varga, Jani Ve Jani and others. At a media conference in Nagpur, 4 names were announced officially. They included TV actress and model Donal Bisht, ex-Bigg Boss contestant Asim Riaz's brother Umar Riaz, and Bigg Boss OTT runner-up Nishant Bhatt and Shamita Shetty.
Hi guys, this is Donal Bisht and आप हमेशा से मुझे Bigg Boss हाउस में देखना चाहते थे. So this is the time I am coming in Bigg Boss 15. I am very excited. How much you are excited? Do let me know. आप हमेशा से चाहते थे कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, क्या कैसे behave करती हूँ. Everything you wanted to know about me. So this is the time. Don't miss it. And मैं contestants को बोलना चाहती हूँ कि जैसे आप मेरे साथ behave करेंगे वैसे ही आप पाएंगे. So let's be friends and spread love. See you in the Bigg Boss house.
नहीं होने वाला है.
Spread love.
जो नहीं होने वाला है.
एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है उमर रियाज. बिग बॉस 15 में बहुत ही सारी मस्ती, एंटरटेनमेंट और बहुत सारा मजा आने वाला है, तो प्लीज आप देखिए. और बिग बॉस 15 और बिग बॉस का मैं बहुत फैन रह चुका हूँ इस शो का, और काफी अरसे से देख रहा हूँ और आज पार्टिसिपेट करने का मौका मिल रहा है, तो मैं आई कांट बी मोर हैप्पी. और कंटेस्टेंट्स को ये बोलना चाहूंगा कि डॉक्टर समझ के हल्के में ना लीजिए, बवालों में.
तो वो है जो ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म से, मतलब ओटीटी बिग बॉस से जो 2 कंटेस्टेंट्स बिग बॉस 15 के घर के अंदर जा रहे हैं, आई मीन द मेन हाउस में जा रहे हैं, वो है शमिता शेट्टी एंड दूसरा नाम है निशांत भट्ट.
Pratik Sehajpal is already a confirmed contestant on the show. The new season will premiere on October 2nd at 9:30 p.m. and thereafter air every Monday to Friday at 10:30 p.m. and on Saturday, Sunday at 9:30 p.m. on Colors.